Hello guys. I know my sound's echoing because I'm in the bathroom right now. But Hurricane Milton has impacted Florida, Tampa, Florida to be exact, and yeah, it's gonna be so sad It's so sad because people are dying and people are still recovering from Hurricane Helene. So, yeah. Hopefully it's still Cat 5, I think. I don't know, but maybe. I'll keep you guys updated if it dissipates or not, because it's heading out the Atlantic Ocean, and there is Hurricane Leslie, most likely heading towards South Africa. So, what the? Oh yeah. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when if this hurricane hits Africa or not. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, bye.